2024 Audi A7 Sportback review. Welcome, car enthusiasts, to another immersive review on luxury cars today. We're immersing ourselves in the refined world of the 2024 Audi A7 Sportback. Buckle up for a thorough exploration of its exterior elegance, opulent interior, advanced driving dynamics, and the intricate details that make it stand out in the competitive automotive landscape. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest automotive journeys. Now, let's unravel the intricate tapestry of the 2024 Audi A7 Sportback. Exterior elegance, a design marvel. The exterior of the 2024 Audi A7 Sportback is nothing short of a design marvel. From its distinctive single-frame grille, mimicking the iconic A7's front grille, to the sleek lines that define its coupe-like silhouette, every detail is meticulously crafted. The LED headlights and taillights add a touch of modern sophistication, creating an aesthetic that seamlessly balances aggression and refinement. Practicality meets style with a hatchback-style opening, providing access to a spacious boot that outshines rivals in this class. Interior opulence, a haven of craftsmanship. Step inside, and the interior of the A7 Sportback is a haven of craftsmanship and luxury. High-quality materials such as plush leather, Alcantara, and cold-to-the-touch aluminum trims adorn the cabin, creating an ambience of sophistication. The standard electrically adjustable heated leather front seats offer unparalleled comfort. However, the sloping roofline does compromise rear seat headroom, but Audi compensates with ample knee and elbow room, making it a comfortable ride for passengers. Infotainment and technology, a digital symphony. Beyond the luxurious materials, the A7 Sportback boasts an advanced infotainment system that places it at the forefront of automotive technology. The three screens, ranging from 8.6 to 12.3 inches, create a futuristic cockpit. While the absence of physical shortcut buttons may take some getting used to, the responsiveness and visual appeal of the screens are commendable. The standard-fit virtual cockpit display adds to the tech-forward experience, offering customizable options for a personalized driving interface. Driving dynamics, balancing comfort and capability. Behind the wheel, the A7 Sportback offers a driving experience that seamlessly balances comfort and capability. The standard four-wheel drive system ensures stability on various terrains, instilling confidence in the driver. On the motorway, the A7 transforms into a refined cruiser, especially with the optional air suspension. However, in urban settings, the suspension may feel a bit firmer over potholes, emphasizing its commitment to overall driving comfort. Engine options, power and efficiency choices. Diving into the engine options, Audi provides a choice between a potent 335 GP petrol engine and a more fuel-efficient 282 GP diesel. The petrol engine delivers lively performance, making it a thrilling choice for those who appreciate spirited driving. On the other hand, the diesel option caters to the economically minded driver, offering a blend of efficiency and effortless performance. Whichever engine you choose, the A7 Sportback delivers a satisfying and enjoyable driving experience. Pricing and competition, worth the investment. Now, let's talk numbers. The Audi A7 Sportback comes with a price range of £56,385 to £77,625. And with CarWow, you can save an average of £5,810. Despite the price tag, the A7 Sportback offers a compelling package, rivaling competitors like the BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe and Mercedes-Benz CLS. It's not just a car, it's an investment in a luxurious driving experience that marries style with practicality. Ownership experience, warranty and reliability. In terms of ownership, the A7 Sportback comes with a standard 3-year or 60,000-mile warranty, a basic industry offering. Audi has a track record of landing in the mid-table for reliability, and while the A7 may not lead in this aspect, it compensates with a comprehensive ownership experience, backed by Audi's commitment to customer satisfaction. As we conclude this deep dive into the 2024 Audi A7 Sportback, it's evident that this luxury sedan goes beyond being a mode of transportation. It's a symphony of design, technology, and performance, offering an unparalleled driving experience. Whether you're drawn to its exterior elegance, luxurious interior, advanced technology, or eco-friendly options, the A7 Sportback presents a holistic package for the discerning driver. Thank you for joining us on this extensive exploration of the 2024 Audi A7 Sportback. If you found this review informative, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more automotive adventures. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of cars with us.